How to make money with ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can make easy money with ChatGPT in the greatest, easiest, most simplest way possible. So there's quite a lot of ways to make money with ChatGPT. Okay, there could be things like content creation, it could be, your virtual assistants, and there could be a whole lot of other things. So first of all, let's discuss content creation. You can ask it to write you anything. So let's say, write me an article on cats. Okay. And it's going to write me a whole article on cats. So look at that. So that's content creation. That's what you can do. You can also write blog posts and you can write scripts. You can have other ideas and a whole lot more. So you get the whole gist. Then you can use ChatGPT to actually help you in affiliate marketing. So you can write, write me a product description on, let's say a skateboard. So this could be used for affiliate marketing. You could get a good product description for, decent SEO and stuff. So you get the whole point. It's really great and easy stuff to actually understand for your page. Then you can also use ChatGPT for different translations and stuff and all these other types of great things. So you can come up and you know have a whole paragraph, for example, and in that paragraph you can write like, let's say, or maybe there's like one line is, I am happy, translate to, let's say, Persian, and then you're just gonna wait for it. And look at that. It takes the sentence that you wrote and it translates it into Persian. Now, obviously, I can't read Persian, but you get the whole idea of it. So these are like just a few of the things that you can use ChatGPT to make money, and it's really great stuff. You can, create content on YouTube. You can make proper videos. You can make shorts by writing scripts and different descriptions and details, and yeah, a whole lot more. So you get the whole gist of it. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.